Good morning everyone. This is Dr. K.R. Vinod Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, SRM Madurai College for Engineering and Technology. Now I am going to discuss about segmentation, targeting and positioning in marketing subject. Many companies make the same mistake, thinking anyone can be their customer. But in actual, it is not the real fact. Actually, the company has to know how to distinct their market based upon different groups so that it can easy for them to target the customer and identify to whom to target. And similarly, they can able to position in the mind of the customer about the brand. So for that it is very much useful to segment, target and positioning the customers. So for that STP has been used in marketing concept. That's segmentation. Segmentation involves dividing the market into distinct groups based on specific characteristics. The main types of segmentation includes demographic segmentation. So it is the classification of the market based upon age, gender, income, education, occupation, etc. So based upon that we can classify the age limit, as well as we can classify based upon the gender, and similarly how far the income has been generated by the customer, as well as what type of background, in which educational qualification they are. So that these type of segmentation is called as demographic segmentation. The next is geographic segmentation. So here in geographic segmentation, based upon the customer from which country they are living. So some customer may be from United States of America, some people may from Russia, as well as some people may from Germany. So based upon the country in which they are living. So in which country the customer is living, as well as the region, from which region they are coming from, the city in which they are living, the climatic condition which prevails in their country. Similarly, the population density of the persons. So that shows that geographic segmentation. The next comes psychographic segmentation, which means that the classification of the market based upon the lifestyle of the people, the values which was holded by the customers, as well as the interest which shows by the customer towards the product, as well as the personality traits. So in which personality they are exhibiting towards the society. So that is called as psychographic segmentation. So it is psychographic segmentation. Next come behavioral segmentation, which means that it shows that the buying behavior of the individuals, the brand loyalty, the usage rate, in which frequency the product has been bought out by the customers, as well as what type of benefit which can be sought out from the product. So these type of segmenting the whole market is called as the behavioral segmentation. Next, targeting. Targeting involves selecting the most attractive segment to serve based on factors like profitability, market size, and competition. The main targeting strategies are mass marketing, or otherwise called as undifferentiated targeting. It is just like a single marketing strategy for the whole market. So here the marketing strategy cannot be differentiated based upon the market conditions. Here only one single marketing strategy has been followed for the whole market. So that type of targeting is called as mass marketing. So next is differentiated marketing. So it means that different marketing strategy for different segments. So for each and every marketing areas, the strategy will be differs. So that type of differentiation has been carried out in the differentiated marketing. So next come niche marketing, or otherwise called as concentrated targeting, focusing on a single well-defined segment. So for example, if you take some companies focus on only one particular segment, like if you take Adidas shoes, Puma shoes, so these type of companies focus on selling the shoes, only selling of those products. So they never focus on expanding their brand on other accessories. So that type of marketing is called as niche marketing. So next come micro marketing, that is called as personalizing marketing efforts for individual customers. Example, customized products. So a luxury brand may target high income individuals who prioritize prestige and performance. So this is called as targeting. Next, positioning. Positioning is how a brand is perceived in the minds of the consumers. It involves creating a unique image or identity through branding, pricing, and messaging. Key positioning strategies include value-based positioning, which means that offering superior value for money, or quality-based positioning, focusing on premium quality and exclusivity. Then feature-based positioning, highlighting specific product features. So here, based upon various features which can be provided by the organization, so that features has been positioned in the mind of the customers. So last come competitor based positioning, which means that differentiating from the competitors. So it is very much important to differentiate the product from the competitors. So that type of differentiating from the competitors is called as competitor based positioning. So these are all the some examples for segmentation, targeting and positioning. So I like to conclude that. So you may get some knowledge about segmentation, targeting and positioning. So thank you for the patience listening.